Hello. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? I'm
I'm
really
good. How are
sorry.
you
I'm really sorry. I'm not in the office right now because today we have electricity maintenance in our area. So I am in my terrace because electricity. Today I will not get the electricity, but the work can't stop, right? So that's why I am in the terrace. But there is no electricity in our area today. It will not come until
I
more
would
5 6 hours.
I would rather be on the terrace. Trust me. Trust me. That sounds much better than in the office, right?
Seriously.
For
Okay, that's great. How
sure.
are you?
How are you today? Good?
Yes, Alhamdulillah, I'm good. I already make a onboarding form for you. After this call, I will send you a onboarding form on your email or WhatsApp, whatever you want. And then you need to fill the onboarding form as
Email
much.
is best.
Sorry, sorry.
Email is best. You send it by email.
Okay, then
Can you hear me?
I'm hearing you. So I will
Okay.
send the onboarding form. Hello.
I'm still here. I'm still here. Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. So I will send the onboarding form on your email, and you need to fill the onboarding form with very fine detail, like as much as details you give me. That will be good for our team to manage the leads and like finding the best lead for your businesses. Okay, so that will be best for us. So when you fill the onboarding form, please be remember that you need to give us as much as information you can. So it will be better for us to finding the leads, making the offer, and making the copy. And after like making some irresistible offer for your services, then I will send a doc with all of the information on your email again, and you need to approve it. And after that, again, we do a call as an onboarding call, and we will finalize everything like this offer we will try for this service with this angle, this subject line. We will again talk, we will discuss, we will approve by you. And after that, we will send it after warming up our email. Okay.
Got it. I understand. So I should be as detailed as possible in that.
As details as possible, because how much information I can get on about your businesses, your targeted ICB, that must like easy it will be work, and also that must good the offer will be what we will provide to the
I
people. Oh, okay.
got
So
it. All right. I will do that for sure.
okay, so no problem. Okay, so anything you want to ask me? Do you have any question?
Um, I don't think so. I mean, I guess my only concern was like we are kind of doing exactly what have been done. So I think the problem was, what we spoke of yesterday with the info addresses. We were not targeting people. How do you find the people, the right people? Like, do you have a tool for that in the Pippi
Yes, like
program, or like
actually
how
we
does
are
that work exactly?
okay. So finding the leads, right? Okay, whatever your ICP
Yes,
will put on the onboarding form, based on that, we have different database for lead database. We have Apollo, Morina, Crunchbase, ZoomInfo. There is a lot of database for leads. Okay, as well as we can like scrap Google Map. We can scrap Instagram. We can scrap Facebook group, LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Because we are an agency, we have multiple tools to scrap the leads, depending on your ideal client profile. Like what kind of lead you need, based on your data you will provide, we will take the lead from the that kind of database. Okay, like it depends, like who from which database we will take the leads. Like if you trying e-commerce, then it will be better to take the leads from Murina, Apollo, then store leads, this kind of e-commerce based data. So it depends actually about your persona, which ICP you are targeting. Based on that, we will find the lead. And also, before finding the leads, after getting the leads, we will send it to you again to check, like not all of the lead, but at least check 5 to 10 leads this is matching your ICP or not. So if something wrong, then we will change and do some tweak and again send it to you. No problem on it. Because
Okay.
after set up the infrastructure, we have 2 weeks for warming up the email. So in between 2 weeks, we will do all this work, the necessary work we will do, and we will finalize everything in between these 2 weeks. And after 2 weeks, we will start sending our emails slowly. We will ramp up.
Got it. Got it. That
And
sounds good. So 2 weeks for that. And then how long is the warm up, would you say? Is that another 2 weeks or?
No. The warm up is for 2 weeks, and the setting up of your email, your sending tools, your SPF, DKIM, DMARC, all kind of technical setup, it will basically take like 3 to 5 days. But we take 1 week because we have different client as well, so we have work pressure. So we take 1 week for set up all the infrastructure, and 2 weeks for when we already set up and we add all the emails to your sending platform. From that day, we need 2 weeks to warm up the email, because if in the first day we will started sending the email, it will again landed on a spam and it will bring us 0.2% reply rate. Okay. So that's why we
Right.
warm up the email. So anything else you want to ask?
No, I mean, that sounds pretty good. So if you get me that form today,
After
I'll
this
do it
call,
this weekend. Have
yes,
it by Monday.
yes, like after this call and the payment infrastructure, I will send you the form on the email. So if everything is done, then
Okay.
let's complete the payment process. Okay. Okay. So
Okay. That
uh,
sounds good.
do you have Wise?
I do, yes, I
Okay. Then
do. But you need to make me an invoice so I
yes,
can send you
yes,
the
definitely.
billing, the information for the company, and then just make me an invoice, I guess. I would prefer to send it to bank transfer, international, because um, uh, that's what I do with like 99%
Okay,
of
no
all
problem. Then
payments.
I'm giving you my
Um,
on Wise also. You
um,
can send from bank information.
yes, Wise. I get payments on Wise, but I don't make payments on Wise. But give me the info because maybe I can figure that out with. I might be able to figure that out.
Easy.
But either way, give me the bank details, and I send you the. I do it on the bank, and then it goes through. It's too late now because it's 2 p.m. here. The last is 2 p.m., but I do it on Monday, and I schedule it, and I send you the receipt. And I have a developer. He's in India, and I pay him that way, and it gets through very fast in one day.
Okay.
So
Wait a minute.
it's
You can
good,
use
and
also
it's
Wise. Wise also good. I pretty much take the payment all from Wise, but it's okay, no problem. So whatever the things is best for you, you can do that, no problem. I'm sending you the uh, payment information, and I will send you the invoice. Maybe
just send me the invoice. Yeah,
yes, I will send the
I need to
invoice.
set it. It needs to be set up in the system because I have to put you as a supplier. I have to set you up as a supplier.
Okay,
So
so I send the information uh, about the payment, and also I am sending the onboarding form on the same email as well. Okay.
okay, that's
Okay.
perfect.
Wait a minute, let me find the onboarding form. Hmm.
All right, good. Sounds
I,
good.
I think we can do something great together. In 2 3 months, you will understand like how the way it's going.
Let's get it going in 2 months, max.
Sorry.
I want, I want, if we can warm up, if we can get the info structure 2 weeks if we can get it going. That would be great.
Yes, I think I will try like as fast as possible. Okay, so I already sent the email. Can you please check your mail about the onboarding form and the payment information also? I didn't take a lot of payment in directly on the bank transfer, so check all the information is correct or not. And if that is the online bank
Okay.
transfer, then I think it's work today as well. It depends on you, no problem on it. Please check that because I didn't take a lot of payment about directly on bank transfer.
Yeah, that looks good, but just get me the invoice.
Invoice, yes, I will send the invoice maybe after 30 minutes because when I need to make an invoice
I
about you.
just need to, yeah,
Uh,
I just need invoice. I'll get that set up. Do you have your, I need your business name, business address, phone, you know, for the business.
Business name, business address, and
Yeah, and let me send you mine so you know what to put when you bill
yes,
me. So
okay,
here's mine. I'll put it on there. I'll reply to you right now and do that. So
yeah. And
just give me a
you
second.
pretty much don't use WhatsApp a lot, right? Because I send you on WhatsApp a message, but you didn't see that.
I do have it, but I don't use. I use it for more personal, not
Okay,
so
got
much business.
it.
Um, but but I do have it. I do have it. Yes, I do. Yeah, I see you message me. Yeah. It's crazy. I have Skype, WhatsApp, like it's
Yeah,
too many
a lot of.
things, right? Um, Okay, hold on. So this is the details, so you can send. Hold on. I'm gonna copy it for you. Okay, I'll reply you here.
Okay. I'm already making a invoice for you.
Okay, but you need here. Yeah, okay. That sounds good.
You are in Sweden right now, right?
Yes. So there you go. You can use that. The email, you can use my email that you have. That there is the finance email, but you can
Okay.
use that
And
to
also,
make.
I want to tell you one thing, Melissa. Like, if you need to outsource any kind of services, okay, like Facebook ad, Google ad, website design, anything, you can let me know because I have best person for work. Okay, because in our team we already have. So if you need to outsource anything, you can let me know from our agency. We can, like, you can take the payment, you can take the order from people, and we can white level your services in our agency. Like, you take the payment with a higher price, and you take your commissions and you pass the work to us, and we will fulfill it from our people. Okay, we also doing this for
Right.
one of my client in USA. Okay, so his work is just take the order from their like real, familiar, like family, friends, and people they known, and they take the price, and after that they take like 40-50%, and they take give us the order, and we will deliver to them. So this is also you can do that.
Okay. I'll think about that. Let's see how this goes first,
Yes,
and then we see.
yes, definitely, definitely, no problem.
All right. So you have that information. So yeah, send it over. And I think I think we're good then, right? I'll fill out the form.
Yes, but remember that you need to fill the form with very fine details. Everything will be
Yeah.
there. Okay, very fine
All
details.
right. I understand. Yeah, I know because that's the way you guys can do your best work is if I put the
Yes,
details in.
yes. Like the details you will send me, we will find the leads and making the offer
And then
based on.
then you'll, okay, yeah, sounds good. Sounds good. All right. Anything else?
Not now. So I will send you the invoice maybe after 4 5 minutes, and after that, when you send the like approximately when you send the payment, the initial payment.
Well, it will go through on Monday, so then you get it probably Tuesday, Wednesday.
No
So
problem. So whenever you send,
I'll send you the receipt.
yes, when
Yeah.
you send, just take a screenshot and send it to me on the email or WhatsApp, whatever you can. And when you send, let me know I send it. And in the meantime, if you have any kind of question, anything on your mind, you can share me on email or WhatsApp. I'll be always there because my work, this is my first profession, so I don't do anything. So I need to always talk to people. So you can tell me whatever the problem or anything on your mind is happening, you can tell me.
Do you have general work hours that you are available, not
Basic,
available?
basically, it's 24 hours. If I'm not sleeping, I'm on the work because we have different client from USA, Australia, Canada. So there is a lot of different on time zone. Like on your time, maybe it's 3 3 p.m. right? 3 p.m.
Yeah, yeah. 2:15 now.
Yes, 2:15, and
Yeah.
in here this 6:15. Okay, and I have meetings maybe uh in my like 1 a.m. as well in the midnight because their time and my time we have so different time zones. So that's why if I'm not sleeping, I sleep basically like 4 5 hours, not more than that. So if I am not sleeping, I'm in the WhatsApp or in the email. My body like they accept it because I don't have time to sleep because there is a lot of client and there is CRM to manage. I need to segment the people to work, like a lot of things happening. So you also know that like if you have a like big team, then you know the hassle the owner need to do. So no problem. So whenever the time is, you have the time, you just let me know. I will. You also see that like if you text me on the WhatsApp, on the email, maybe in 4 5 minutes, max 10 minutes, I will reply because that's my job. Okay.
All right. All right. Good to know. All right. Very
and
good.
and if I'm not replying, then you can see on that time I'm sleeping.
Gotcha. All right.
Okay.
That sounds good. Just send it all over
Okay.
and sounds great. I don't have any questions now at this point, but it sounds good and I'm happy to give you a chance. And,
Yeah.
you know, if we can get things, I mean, I'm, I just, I just need to get things to a good point. I know we are very targeted. We know exactly where we need to be. And we're launching a new website momentarily within 2 weeks. So it's actually perfect because the warm up period will
Yeah.
be
That's
going
the
on
perfect.
while
Yes.
the website is launching.
Yes.
So it's
Also,
perfect.
it's perfect time. Yes, that's a good time. And thank you for joining the call and giving us the opportunity. And I hope you will never regret about our partnership. And we will try our best to give you the best output. And let's see what happens in the next 2 3 months.
All right.
Okay.
That
So
sounds good.
thank you so much.
Thank you so
And
much, SN.
thank you so much, Melissa.
We'll
I will
talk soon.
send. Yes, talk soon. Take care. Bye bye. I will send the invoice in
All
five
right.
minutes.
Sounds good. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.